So I don't know why I'm making this video, but I think it will be very interesting to see all of those sounds available on macOS Big Sur. So we're going to test all those new sounds available on macOS Big Sur on this device. So let's go and check all the sounds. I hope you'll enjoy this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one so much as I also did, because some sounds like the charging sound is from iPhones or iPads. Anyway, so that was my sound effect test of macOS Big Sur. I hope you enjoyed this one.